Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmari. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing another Amazon wig review. What it looks like. They get another curly wig, and it's like a curly bob wig. I always get curly hair like wigs and stuff because I feel like it looks good on me. It's the only thing that I like, but next time I might get like a straight hair wig or something. But if this video gets to 10 likes or more, then I will do another wig review with a straight hair wig. If you're new to my channel and you enjoy watching beauty and lifestyle content, then be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, then welcome back to another video. If you want to see me try on this wig, then keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like. It comes in this little baggie, and the wig is by the brand Prettiest on Amazon, and it comes with these little tattoo stickers. That was like a little cool gift, and it also comes with a little thank you note and a cap, like a stocking cap or whatever. I don't really like caps like this, but I guess I'll wear it. And it also comes with a pair of earrings, and I was excited about like the earrings because I thought that was cool, and I never gotten earrings in a wig before. And it also comes with like some more like stickers. So this is what the wig looks like, and it's like an orange red wig. And ignore my hair, by the way. I just had my hair in twisties and I did them the other day. So now I'm gonna apply on the wig, the cap. So it doesn't have any combs in the back, but it has combs on the side of it. So this is what the wig looks like. I do like it. It's like a mixture of red and orange. When I first put it on, I thought it was gonna be like too short. The back seemed like it's really short, like you could notice it kind of seem a little dark on me, but it'll probably look brighter in like the sun and stuff. Imagine it as a burgundy like type of wig, but I do like it, and I need to get some bobby pins like covers my face too much. It comes with like two combs like on the side, and I put both of them like in, and if it was like really tight with the combs, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna come off, and you can adjust it. I'm probably gonna wear it without the combs in because it's a little too tight. It's like an everyday wig, and I think I'm gonna wear it like all the time because the other wig that I have is like kind of messed up and stuff. I kind of don't like the way like wigs with dark roots look on me, but probably next time I'm probably gonna get a wig that's like I'm probably just gonna get a wig that's like fully colored and not dark roots. But I like it. It's a cute wig, and I'm pretty sure it will look good on anybody. Also, I'm not used to wearing short hair. That's a little different, but I like that it's short and like you could wear it in the summertime and it's probably not gonna get hot. But the hair is really soft and you could just like comb through it easily. When I combed through it, it did make the hair a little bigger. I'm gonna try to take like good care of it. And I also like that the wig came with like extra stuff like a cap, and it came with like earrings and stuff. It's kind of like my other wig but different color and shorter. But I do like this here, and I'm definitely gonna wear it more often. So if you're looking for like a short hair wig and a curly one and one that's like this color, I would recommend this one because it is comfortable to wear and it is like pretty and it's cute to wear, and you could probably wear it like to any place and anywhere. But so that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and go check out my latest video. It will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.